Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just a quick bonus update because Solana has reacted to the yellow support region and has already left that support region to the upside. Quick reminder that we are watching for an E wave here in an Elliott wave triangle of a wave 4. And the idea is that this E wave could form an A, B, C structure. The A wave is a 3-wave move down, so it technically keeps the door open for rising prices more directly. But as long as we now stay below resistance, one more low should happen. If we go to the 30-minute chart, then we see that the forecast, or at least the wave count from the previous video was filled in. What were we watching for? We were watching for a 5-wave move down in wave C of A. Quick reminder that the idea was that a D wave topped up here, and then we were watching for an A, B, C structure in the E wave. And the A wave itself is a 3-wave move. A, B, C, and within that, the C wave as a 5-wave move. In the previous update and short-term update I sent through on our Discord server earlier today, I explained that zooming in, it seems as if wave A might form one more low in wave 5. I also provided a micro resistance area because the market can always prove the analysis wrong, right? I mean, I'm not someone like I called for one more low because I didn't, right? It's more about, okay, what's the currently most probable scenario? The market can always go the other way, okay? Probabilities are dynamic. The benefit of the analysis is not to tell you that it will form one more low. That's ridiculous. You know, that's like making calls and stuff. That's not really what professional analysis is about. No, analysis tells you about the most probable pathway as well as the key resistances, support levels, key pivots where you can position yourselves, okay? So it's all about a probabilistic assessment of the market, what is currently most probable, and the wave count suggested one more low, but only as long as the price would stay below micro resistance, so $174.81. Now, the benefit is not to know that we should get another low. The benefit is to know about these key levels and that the $174.81 level was the pivot between one more low and already a rally in wave B. Now, the market followed, however, the most probable pathway outlined also in the last update and formed that one more low in wave A. Now, therefore, we are watching for a B wave rally to unfold. So going back to the live chart, seems like this B wave has started. The resistance is defined between $175.10 and $185.90. And I'm now going to add a possible microstructure for this B wave. It would be an A wave up, which could be a micro 5-wave move up. So it looks likely that we see further upside continuation over the coming days. Then here a B wave decline would be next. So if the next pullback is indeed corrective, and maybe for tomorrow's update, I already will have a support area that I can show you. Well, if the next pullback is corrective, and I have no indication wave A has topped, but yeah, if that pullback is corrective, one more high should happen in wave C of B. Bear in mind, B waves can technically overshoot, but this is the standard resistance area. At least we have something to watch. B waves are the most difficult waves to forecast and to analyze, but it looks a bit like a 5-wave move up in wave A. So if we now see a decline, it could be that B wave pullback, and then with maybe one more high to come in wave C of the larger B wave. That's what I'm watching. I don't at this stage expect the E wave to be completed, but I would have to assume that if there is a sustained break above $185.90. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.